Hi, it's me again. I'm Feby. I'm a real person. I'm not an AI. And today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to reply to emails. If you're a virtual assistant or if you are an office worker assigned to reply to emails, if your job is something like that or related to that, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to your advantage. Okay, so let me share my screen with you. Okay, so at the moment, I created this email. So for example, someone is not happy about your services, they want a refund. So I just created this email as an example. We will use these for the sake of this tutorial. So someone says, "Hi Feby, I am not happy with your service. You are not good. What a shame I bought your services. Please refund my money ASAP." And this email is from Thanos the Great. Okay, now I will reply to Thanos. I'm so mad at Thanos. However, since I am in email marketing and we are a customer, for example, you're in a customer service company, so you want to be professional as much as you can. Okay, so right now I'll use ChatGPT 4. Okay, this is a paid account. I'm just paying like 1,000 pesos for a month for this. However, I think some people cannot register for a paid account because there are so many people in the waiting list to get the paid account. I'm just lucky because I'm one of the first people to buy ChatGPT's paid account. But anyway, going back to the email. So now let's reply to Thanos. So I'll just say to ChatGPT, reply to Thanos and be professional. Okay. So now I'll paste Thanos' email and let's see how the magic works. So ChatGPT replies like this. Dear Thanos the Great, I am truly sorry to hear about your dissatisfaction with our services. It's our top priority to ensure that our clients receive the best possible experience, and it's clear that we have not met your expectations this time. Could you please provide us with more specific feedback regarding the aspect of the service that did not meet your standards? This information will be invaluable for us to understand your concerns in depth and to make the necessary improvements. Regarding your request for a refund, I assure you that we will address it promptly. To proceed, could you please provide us with your order number or any other details related to your purchase? This will help us with this will help us expedite the process. Thank you for bringing this to our attention. We are committed to resolving this matter to your satisfaction. Warm regards, Feby. Okay, now that's a real professional reply. But now I want to test ChatGPT. Okay, the same email. I'll reply to Thanos and be irate. I'll say to ChatGPT to reply this with bad attitude as well. Let's see how it works. Okay. So ChatGPT just said, I'm sorry to hear you're dissatisfied with our service. We aim to provide the best possible experience and it's clear we've fallen. Could you please provide more details? Okay, so I think ChatGPT doesn't know how to provide a feedback with a bad attitude. But anyway, this is how to reply emails. You can use this at your own advantage. Okay, so just make sure that what ChatGPT is saying is correct and it aligns to your company's terms and conditions. So make sure also that it's personal and it's saying the right things about your company. So it's a quick email, quick video on how to use ChatGPT with your email marketing. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you and have a great day.